Feeling like your skin needs a spa day? Transform your home into a luxury spa with the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer. This professional device uses advanced micro-steam technology to infuse your skin with deep hydration, clarify your complexion, and detoxify your skin in just 9 minutes. Perfect for all skin types, especially dehydrated skin and enlarged pores. The Pro Facial Steamer soothes and softens your skin, enhancing and accelerating your skincare routine. In just one step, your skin is infused with hydration, pores are cleared, and your complexion is clarified, leaving you with a healthy, radiant glow. Simply fill the steamer with water, slide the switch on, and let the wide nozzle provide full steam coverage. The automatic safety shutoff ensures a worry-free experience. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use, the Dr. Dennis Gross Pro Facial Steamer brings the spa to you. Indulge in the luxury of radiant, healthy skin every day.